Dear friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be diving into another machine on the Vulnhub, which is Who Wants to Be King? Okay, very interesting name. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So now, let's start our hacking way through this beginner level machine. We can head over to Kali Linux. First of all, we need to discover the IP address of the target. Okay? And we can press enter. Okay, so as you can see over here, the IP address of the target could be recognized as 217. So what shall we do next? We need to perform port and surface scanning with a map. To save time of this video, I've already completed before. So now we can get out its result. As you can see over here, I took the options like scene scan, the default script scan, version scan, and full range polar scan. The last option of all is ON to output the result into this file. From the map scanning results, we can tell that the target has two open ports. So now we can take a look at them one by one. The first one is 22, which is running SSH service or secure shell service, and also the version information open SSH and its corresponding version number. I don't think we can find any vulnerability. We can use the search exploit to search no results. Okay, let's move on. The second open port is 80, which is running HTTP service and also the version information. So I think it's very clear what are we going to do next. We need to emulate the web application both manually and automatically. Let's fire up the browser of Firefox to perform manual enumeration first, and we can put the IP address of the target into the address bar. Press enter. Okay, just one file. We can download this file to our Kali Linux, and then we can, move this file from downloads directory to current directory. It's done. And now we can get out this file. It looks like some not, of course, this is not textual file. So I think we can use the strings. Also, maybe we can, first of all, we can check its type, Sky Logger. And this is the 64-bit Linux executable. Interesting. Now we can use the strings to retrieve all readable characters from this binary. Let's scroll up. So root check, open, config. Get a key text. So maybe this is the username. I don't know. We can copy. So the counts of arguments. Simple key logger version. Maybe we can check to see whether this software is vulnerable or not. Also, we find this one. local file version must run as root. Also, I think we can make it executable. Sky logger, and we can use trace. Oh, I do not have a trace. Interesting. DB sky logger. A lot of error. Info, or maybe info or disassemble. Nothing here. So now, so this is possible. Also, I think we need to check whether we have access to its robots file, right? But not found. Nicto. I don't think we can find anything, and also like to perform directory enumeration. Anyway, I do not want to wait it anymore. You know, we cannot find anything from or by GoBuster. So actually, you know, the part I don't like very much is that we have to, you know, the precondition is that we should have physical access to the target machine. And from this, you know, from this, if we can have access, physical access to this target machine, then we can get to know, you know, the username, right? DAENERYS. Okay, so maybe we can note it down to such information. What's that? DAE, DAE, NER, NERYS, DAE, YS. Okay, so maybe this is a password. Okay, we can try to SSH to the target, and we can copy this as password. But this doesn't work. So I think maybe this string is encoded, and this should be the password. Okay, we can copy. Okay, we are done. We successfully get access to the target machine. Again, I'd like to say, yeah, I do not like the part, you know, in case we cannot have physical access to the target machine, and we cannot use this way to penetrate, right? We cannot get the initial foothold on the target. Anyway, let's go back. Now we need to do some kinds of local enumeration. Oh, secret. So find home, please. Just one user, sudo. No password. So I think we can, you know, we can elevate privilege by utilizing or manipulating such Python script or shell script. So maybe we can check whether we have permission to manipulate, for example, this script, but no such file. So now, could we create this Python script? So now we need to, maybe we can go inside this directory, user lib linux mint update. There are several Python scripts, but we cannot see this script. Now we need to check whether we have a permission to create a file under this directory. So how to do? We can use ALHD, the upper layer, but unfortunately we do not have permission to write or create a file under this directory. So we cannot take advantage of these two scripts, or three, yes, two scripts to elevate the privilege. So how about this one? We can copy, but no such file. Also, I don't think we have permission to, to save a file under this directory. User bin, yes, as this one. Current user, only root user can create file under the bin directory. So how to do? Maybe next I'd like to upload linpeas.sh script to perform automatic enumeration on the target machine. Okay, so copy. We can upload to the web server on the Kali Linux. We can linpeas, and we need to make it executable, and let's run it. To see what we can get by this script. As you know, when we try to elevate privilege, in most cases, we should take advantage of the power of this script to conduct automatic enumeration from various parts or aspects, such as, the local exploits, SUID, bit of binary, the capabilities settings of binary, sensitive or configuration files which can leak something important like credentials. Okay? So let's run. It's done. Let's scroll up a bit. PGP key, private key, but it's no use for us because this private key, since we have already got access with this user, right? The active ports. Chrome job. processes, some local exploits, but I'm not going to take local exploits in this video, okay? So maybe we need to continue enumeration manually. For example, go to the OPT, go to var, nothing here, backups, nothing here, go to www directory, HTML directory, nothing here. I think we still need to go back to home directory, desktop, nothing here. So how about the local? Share, interesting. Oh, we find this one. And I think we can unzip this file. And then we can get this file, okay? We can get out this file. So we can have a look at this node. We can copy and get out this file. Oh, I'm cow. Okay. So I think this should be hint left by the author of this machine. We can use this as keyword to, to Google, and you can get this link. So I think the password should be this one. We can copy and paste over here. And we need to consider some different possibilities. For example, very often the password would be lowercase Joko. If this cannot work, and we can try other forms. For example, capitalize the every word. So now we can try to switch root user. It does work. Beautiful. Now we can navigate to root directory to grab the final flag. Okay? Have a good day. So I think that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you next. Bye. Have a good day.